The Pietà by Michelangelo is on the right, coming up here. This is absolutely packed. I mean, packed. Oh my, wow. Oh, mackerel. Beautiful, beautiful place. Okay, let's go over here to where our guide is. Okay, here we are. And Pietà is somewhere here. Oh, wow. Atop.
Selma, älä jää sinne, tai mene tuohon Jussin eteen.
This is absolutely stunning. My God. Okay, so it's looking forward to the Pietà. We gotta keep moving through here. This is worse than China. I'm looking forward to seeing the Michelangelo Pietà, one of its famous statues, other than David. Just there's so much to see. So much beautiful. Okay, we're over here. Oh my God! I mean, this is the most impressive place I've ever seen. Oh, there's the Pietà. Wow, there it is. Wow. No photo? Can I take the video? Oh, okay, thank you. Okay. Okay, I gotta keep up with the guide here. I'm gonna get lost. Oh, here we are. Good, okay. I can take another picture. She's just saying I can't take a picture from here because... Alright, let's see, try again. So Michelangelo sculpted this when he was about 20 years old. Incredible. Wow. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. This is just, well, do I need to comment? Just look. What an incredible place. It's massive. Okay, she's...
Stick together, I don't want to lose you now.
Okay.
Then you're free, you stay till...
Okay. All right, we have to follow her through. Yeah. I've already lost her once. I don't want to lose her again. Yeah, so a lot of this marble, she's saying, came from ancient Roman monuments. So being repurposed, unfortunately. Ah, John Pope II. Wow. It's absolutely breathtaking. It's the nicest. It's just the nicest chapel or basilica, whatever you want to call it, cathedral I've ever seen. It's just absolutely huge. It's made in kind of a Byzantine style. See how the arches are rounded and the walls are very wide? So it's really made in kind of a Byzantine style. which is actually quite interesting. You see how they're very different than the cathedrals you see in Europe, like rest of Europe. This is more Byzantine style, very bulky structure, structurally, well, I guess bulky, big. Windows are small, but the advantage of it is it's super solid. I mean, the Hagia Sophia in Turkey is also the same style. So it's lasts for 1,500 years. Basilica is only about 500 years old, so it's really a baby compared to the. Sorry, it's a baby compared to the Hagia Sophia in Turkey, but oh man, this thing is absolutely incredible. Look at this thing. You can hear the organ. Oh my God. So the old St. Peter's Basilica was right here and it was destroyed, or? Oh, unfortunately. Oh, that's too bad. Okay.
Okay, my people, I'm waiting for you here. So join the group.
You can hear the organ going.
So I'm speaking with people, with the people who were with me in the
Oh yeah.
Now, the main altar is the one
Okay. Have to follow the guide. We can take some pictures afterwards, she said. Okay. 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 Okay, 5 minutes more, she said, and we're free. Okay. Oh, statue of St. Peter.
From the old church. The old church was right in this spot. So it was raised to the ground. This is at an higher level, so there are the grottos down if you want to go down for free, and you reach the level of the old church, where you also have some tombs of points. The altar is right above the tomb of St. Peter. There are two levels
the tomb of
down.
St. Peter, okay.
This is the statue of Peter from the old church. It's of the Middle Ages, as well as Why? Because before pandemic, people could walk in front and touch or kiss the feast. So the clothes were worn off over time. And Peter is always pictured with the keys.
Toes
You
were
see the
kissed
keys,
off.
Now.
Okay.
Vale, porque por ahí está.
That's a throne the one of the statues of Peter, but Baroque. Here, in the back you have you have the dome, which is the symbol of the Holy Ghost.
All right, I'm going to stop this video and do another one later.
I don't see all
It's
the people,
amazing,
please,
amazing.
Come and join us, the families.
Which is the Old and the New Testament, the Genesis, the last judgment.
Okay, I'm going to take some more pictures after this tour is over. It's unbelievable.